Namaskar everyone. On the eve of Charak Jayanti 2024 and in memory of our Ayurvedic Guru Vaidya L. Mahadevan sir who contributed to academic and clinical practices of Ayurveda, I am going to represent a topic on Dincharya. Dincharya. Dine Dinacharya, Dinasya Vacharya, Dincharya. Our day-to-day routine, which we follow in our daily lifestyle, is called Dincharya. It also promotes health and avoids stress. As per WHO, they define health a complete state of physical, mental, and social well-being, and not absence of disease or weakness. Actions that are used in Dincharya: Brahmurat, Ushapan, Malmutra Tyag, Achaman, Dan Dhawan, Jivar Nirlekhan, Mukh Prakshalan, Anjan, Nasya Karam, Kaval Gandosh, Dhumpan, तांबुल सेवन, अभ्यंग, व्यायाम, उद्वर्तन, स्नान, अनुलेपन, वस्त्र धारण. I, Vivek Kumar, of Shiva Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital, Bilaspur, Himachal Pradesh, BMS second prof student, going to represent a topic on Abhyang. Abhyang is a kind of Ayurvedic massage which is completely different from normal body massage. Acharya Bhagwat says, Abhyangam Achre Nityam Sajara Shramvatah Drishti Prasad Pusht Ayu Sapan Sutak Dridayakrit. Ashtang Hriday Sutra Sthan, Chapter 2, Shlok number 8. Abhyang help in reduce aging, overcome fatigue, good sleep and improve skin health, improve clarity of vision and sturdy physique. Contradiction or Abhyang Nishedh. In some cases like Ajiran, indigestion, Garbhini, pregnant women, Tarun Jwar, acute fever, Vran, bleeding wound, Rajaswala, menstruating women, Pramay Pedit, diabetes patient, after woman Virechan Vastikaram, Panchkaram techniques. In these cases, it is not advised to do Abhyang. Contradiction or Abhyang Nishedh. In some cases like Ajiran, indigestion, Garbhini, pregnant women, Tarun Jwar, acute fever, Vran, bleeding wound, Rajaswala, menstruating women, Pramay Pedit, diabetes patient, after woman Virechan Vastikaram, Panchkaram techniques. In these cases, it is not advised to do Abhyang. Tarun Jwar, acute fever, temporary increase in average body temperature of 37 degrees Celsius. Ajiran, indigestion, upper abdominal discomfort described as burning sensation, bloating, nausea or feeling full too quickly after starting to eat. Garbhini, pregnant women. Vran, wound, injury that cut or break the skin or other body tissue. Rajaswala, menstruating women. Vaman Virechan Vastikaram, Panchkarma techniques. Ayurveda tell us not to do Abhyang after Vaman Virechan, etc. Panchkaram vidhis. Type of Abhyang: Sarvang Abhyang, full body massage. Shiro Abhyang, head massage. Ekang Abhyang, specific body part massage for pain and stiffness. Pad Abhyang, foot and toe massage for feet burning and stiffness. Shishu Abhyang, massage for infant for better skin and health and body nourishment. Prasuta Abhyang, massage for women who delivered child for muscle strength and skin health. Difference between Adan and Visarkal. In Adan Kal, Shishir Vasant Grisham Ritu is included. In Shishir Ritu, January to March, Tikth Ras is Pradhan and body strength is maximum. In Vasant Ritu, March to May, Kashaya Ras is Pradhan and body strength is moderate. In Grishma Ritu, May to July, Katur Ras is Pradhan and body strength is minimum. In Visakh Kal, Varsha Sharad Hemant Ritu is included. In Varsha Ritu, July to September, Amal Ras is Pradhan and body strength is minimum. In Sharad Ritu, September to November, Lavan Ras is Pradhan and body strength is moderate. In Hemant Ritu, November to January, Madhu Ras is Pradhan and body strength is maximum. Abhyang in different Ritus according to Acharya Charak. Hemant Ritu, November to January. In this Ritu, Snigdh Gun is par and Ruksh Gun is upper. In this Ritu, we should use Ushnavatahar Tail like til tel. In Sharad Ritu, from September to November, Snigdh Gun is par and Ruksh Gun is upar. In this Ritu, we should use Snigdh and Sheet Gun dravyas like Chandan and Ushir. Except Grisham Ritu, from May to July, due to Rukshta and Ushnata, it is not advisable to do Abhyang. Drugs used in Abhyang and their guna. As per Acharya, Adan Kalis Ruksh Gun Pradhan and Visar Kalis Snigdh Gun Pradhan. So we should modify our Abhyangcharya and utilize the drug with appropriate guna to combat changing season. It will help in increase the utility of drug. For Vat Dosh Nash, we use til tel, which is also known as sesame oil. It also help in Rukshta Nash, and as for substitute oil, we could use Dhanvantrim tel for Vat Dosh Nash. For Pitt Dosh Nash, we use Narikela tel, also known as coconut oil. It also help in Daha Nash, and as for substitute oil, we could use Chandan Adi tel for Pitt Dosh Nash. For Kaf Dosh Nash, we use Sarshap tel, also known as mustard oil. It also help in Snigdha Nash, and for substitute oil, we could use Kutan Chukadi tel for Kaf Dosh Nash. Mode of action. The therapeutic value of massage lies in its numerous and combined physiological effect and techniques. Massage can be manual or mechanical, impart pressure and stimulate various tissue approaches at the time of application of a particular technique. Massage effect on circulatory system. On the venous and lymphatic flow, massage facilitates the forward movement of the venous blood and lymph. It facilitates the drainage and reduces the stagnation of fluid and speed up the removal of waste product. On arterial flow, on the arterial blood flow, a definite vasodilation along with the increase in the peripheral blood flow is usually observed after massage. Effect on soft tissue, elasticity, plasticity and mobility of soft tissue enhanced. Tissue which can be affected by massage include muscle, sheath, ligament, tendon and joint capsule. Effect on skin. It improves the nutritive status of skin and rise the temperature of skin. Massage facilitates the movement of skin. As a result, skin becomes softened, more supple and finer. In nowadays, cervical pain, back pain, joint dislocation and bone fractures are very common due to our follow of uneven lifestyle. So to reduce this, we should get educated with our old scripture or get knowledge of Ayurveda practices like Dincharya, etc. for healthy lifestyle. So by adding some changes like Abhyang in our daily lifestyle, we can enhance body vitality and immunity, and it will lead to a healthy and long life. Thank you for listening. I hope you all get information from this video and you will follow Dincharya for healthy life. Thank you.